In this video, I'll be talking about some YouTuber called Hailey. So watch this and enjoy. So what's up guys, so I wanted to make this video for a while now. So a few weeks ago I was on Pornhub going across my fetishes and I found a porn video called YouTuber sex video exposed. Jesus. So a few faps later I looked more into her. I saw Leafy is here to fuck video. Oh dear god. Babysitter, schoolgirl, your nerdy girl, and then sleepover with stepsister. What the actual fuck? I really hate porn about incest, stepbrother, sister, father, son, etc. But I will be on about that in another video. So she really does have a YouTube channel. I watched some of her videos. She goes by the name of Queen Hailey XO on YouTube. And the Pornhub name is Hailey XO. She made a video called Porn at 1 mil, not clickbait. Well honey, your thumbnail is clickbait. She's just going on blah blah blah, I'm a dirty slut, begging for more views, subscribers and money. So desperate, she offered 500 subscribers for one nude photo and 5,000 for porn video, whatever. 1 to 10 million and a gold play button, but she considered doing everything. Wow, a Kentucky pussy. I prefer Cherry Crush's porn. At least she doesn't have depressing videos and every video begging for attention. Her most recent video is about Futuristic Hub. I don't know anything about it, but god, you moan more than your porn videos. But Futuristic Hub has given you 2,000 plus subscribers. You should be thanking him. Now you get to do more porn. I saw your videos about 12,000 subscribers. Now you're having 14,000 plus subscribers. And counting. You ungrateful bitch. But yeah, that's what I gotta say. I'll probably say more in the future, but if you liked it, leave a like and I'll do more of these rants. Take care guys. Peace.